Hey everybody, today we are going to be going through everything I got from JoAnn's and Hobby Lobby over the past couple weeks, but let's just get right into the video. So I'm going to start with Hobby Lobby. Okay, so the first thing I got is this little black gumball machine jar. This was $10, regular price, on sale for 50% off, so $5 for that. This cart was $2.99. Next thing I got was just these little glass jars, glass bottles, $2.99 for 8 of them. And then they had a bunch of stuff on clearance. So I got these astronaut charms that have flowers on like the face part of the helmet. I already have one of these, but I have a bunch of ideas to use with these. These were $1.24 each. These I pretty much just got because they were on clearance, but they are $1.49. And I know I'll be able to make something cute with them. And then I got these black and white striped butterflies for 99 cents. They had 50% off the jewelry shop findings, so I got these bookmark findings. And then this was half off. Regular price $8, so I got it for $4. It's just a little shopping basket. It's probably made for fruit or something because it was part of their spring shop collection. But I am super excited for this. It is so cute. Now let's get into the JoAnn's stuff. And then I got these little tie-dye bag. And then I got the Wikipedia, another witchy book. I got Wicca for Beginners. And then I got this Moon Magic book. And 3 strands of beads. And they are green leaves. And then I got some orange thread and some orange fabric. This is just the So Classic cotton, but I got it to be the backing of pillows that I'm gonna make using this fabric. I'm so obsessed with this. This is so cute.